Hi everyone. In the previous video, I demonstrated you how to update data in the existing Excel file. In this video, I want to talk about applying formats. Let's start from dates in Excel. They're a little bit confusing because the dates are actually numbers. Let me show you what I mean. So if I, first of all, let me just apply field names. So this is actually string representation of the number. And you can see the number by ticking ignore format. See, it is a number. Well, ignore format also applies to numeric fields, so you can use it to remove like currency characters or commas, etc. So back to dates. So if we want to load, so our software doesn't know which field is a date. So in order to add date fields to Excel file, you need to convert it into standard DBC format. Let me show how. It's just using date format function. I know it's a little bit confusing, but who said that life must be easy? So our format is this one. See, it is a format, and this is a standard DBC format. Now, when loading data in Excel file, we want to change the date format. You can apply it here. For example, what you can do, and let me just copy the fields. You can say that our format is this one, for example. Again, it is just a string representation of date field. The date is stored as a number internally. So if you just run it, okay, to map it. Let's run it again. It's because the file is open. To close it. We run it again. And refresh the date. You see, the format is different now. And I open the Excel file. You see, here it is a date. Now, if we want to apply a format to budget, for example, what we can do, yeah, we have to close it first. We can say this with some commas inside. So it's just easy to work with. Let me show you the data. And the data looks like that. And again, if you go to open the file, you can see that is just a number, and this is string representation. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please go to our support forum and ask them there, and we will do our best to help you. Thank you, bye.